Imagine your data journey guided by experts who turn complexity into clarity, much like a master baker crafts perfection from simple ingredients. With IQVIA's proven data manufacturing and transformation capabilities, you receive analytics ready assets meticulously tailored to your objectives. Every data set is carefully sourced and undergoes stringent quality assurance, leveraging advanced methodologies to ensure accuracy, reliability, and measurable business value. Trust in a partner committed to transparency and excellence. See how IQVIA's trusted process transforms raw data into strategic advantage, empowering confident decisions and better outcomes. Start your data transformation journey today. Discover more at iqvia.com/contact.